Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, we're going to be responding to a very popular crypto YouTuber, Maher. And I want you to definitely share this video with your favorite friends. But first, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube, Darnell Jackson Crypto. Shout out to all the subscribers. Okay, now before I get into the response portion of this video, I want to give you a quick market update and a little bit of context. I haven't posted now in a couple weeks. I'm switching over the format. I'm going from the cell phone to I got a microphone. You see this? This is innovation. All right, so here's what's happening. Let's just get a quick update on the market. We saw stocks not looking happy. We see the fear is increasing. We're now in even more extreme fear. We've already been extremely fearful. Now we're extremely fearful. Look at the look on her face. Is that extreme? All right. Now what I want you to do is pay attention to where we are with the Bitcoin market. We're down below 40 grand, family. What happened? Are you all confident and happy about how things are right now?
No.
Are you really feeling very, very confident? Things are going to the moon right now still?
No.
So let's take a look at where we are year to date. Right now, this is a year to date graph. This chart shows Bitcoin and Ethereum and its performance. This is the scoreboard right now, year to date. If you bought Bitcoin on January 1st, you're down almost 20%. Ethereum's down 23% since January 1st. That's not good, man. So I want you to get some context right now before I get to the video by Max. Now, Max, he's got almost 1 million subscribers. All right. So that means, he's got more subscribers than Darnell Jackson Crypto right now. All right. But that's before you share this video with all of your friends. Who knows what'll happen by tomorrow after you send your group text. All right. With the link to this video right now. But look at what's happening. And I'm going to come back to this in a minute. But I just want you to see everything is down unless it's a stable coin. It's a bloodbath around here. All right. People making a bunch of money right now.
No.
Right now, people sending texts showing off on the internet their big gains.
No.
And so I want you to really understand what's happening. Look at Ethereum. And I'm checking Kraken. I like Kraken's charts. All right, it's taking 5 seconds. Is that longer than 5 seconds? All right. Let me jump over to Max. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Maybe we can help him get to 1 million, all right? But he makes some interesting points here. All right? But I want you to get what I'm trying to say. The context he's talking about is the best bet in crypto right now. And it's not the best bet right now. So let's hear what Max has to say.
You've probably heard about layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum, Cardano, Terra, or Avalanche, but there's another type of blockchain some would argue is even better than layer 1 blockchains, layer 2 blockchains. These blockchains are a bit underrepresented and may offer massive gains in 2020.
Okay, he's talking about layer 2 blockchain technology. Now, in summary, he's going to be talking about technology. And he says that tech is the best bet right now.
As this industry develops. Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum allow for developers to build their own dApps through native programming languages. Ethereum is powered by Solidity, for example. But recent developments from a project known as Starkware now brings smart contract functionality to layer 2 blockchains. This leads some to go as far as say layer 2 blockchains will replace layer 1 blockchains due to functionality and scalability. But
now here's the whole thing. When he starts talking and confusing you, understand that that's where your money's going. This is where your money's going to hit. This guy right here has got your money. When you're confused,
does this mean
here's your money? Here's your money. Where's your money? Here's your money.
Cardano
There's your money right there when you're confused. And let me explain really quick what I mean. Let me jump back over here to crypto market cap. Now, my favorite whipping boy, Polkadot. This is a perfect example of why the technology itself is not the best bet in crypto right now. What did Polkadot do? Polkadot made a big deal out of its over extremely complicated technology, the parrot chains. I should pull up a picture of a parrot right now. After Polkadot published their parrot chain technology, they got a little bit of a rise. Did they go to the moon?
No.
Did they make everyone holding DOT in their bags retire early?
No.
Is this really what it's all about when you're talking about gains?
No.
So I want you to understand technology alone is not the deal in crypto. Now, this is Polkadot. They had their parent chain. Who understands the parent chain technology? No one. No one in the universe understands the parent chain technology. Everything has crashed since then. So let me jump back over here. I want to show you one other example. That's from a little bit of time ago. Now let me show you a recent example. My most favorite whipping boy, Cardano, who recently had its announcement. Sunday swap was supposed to be revolutionary. It was supposed to take things to the moon. Did Cardano go to the moon? Is Cardano right now 100x since before the announcement of their new decentralized exchange? This is what is the best bet. I'm going to talk to you about what is the best bet. It's not Cardano. It's not the technology, especially when crypto goes into the bear type of market where it's not moving up. These little technology trends, they're not that important when everyone's focus is gains. The most important thing has to be what pays. This is what I want to show you. These are two of the biggest platforms that both could not really impress. They could not buck the trend of the market. When the market goes bloody, you see these same technologies going bloody. So, Max, let me let him talk a little bit more. He's making his point. He's talking about technology. Now, I need to agree with him in a second here. I'm going to let you listen to a little bit more here. Shout out to Max. Make sure y'all go over there and subscribe.
Or a layer 2 alternative. You probably don't need to do anything that crazy, but layer 2 scaling solutions are a trend you absolutely need to pay attention to. A trend that may pay investors handsomely. So let's dive in.
Now, here's where I want to agree. It's a trend that may pay investors, but I will add another term in here that he missed. It's definitely a trend that will pay workers. Remember, the best way to make money in this industry is to work in the industry. And as Max has demonstrated his knowledge in ZK rollups and all of the fancy layer 2 scaling solutions, this knowledge is valuable. And if you are up to date on this technology, you could attract a substantial offer from many of these cryptocurrency entities, these companies, these DAOs, even the Fortune 500 companies are getting in crypto. So if you understand how to integrate scale these platforms, then that's going to put you neck and shoulders above the competition. All right. So that's one thing I will say is learning this information is going to be good for your personal development, but will it be good for your portfolio?
No.
Are you going to make money in this market because you mastered knowing all of the ins and outs of these technology?
No.
So there's two different ways to look at it. We are focused right now on gains. That's why everyone comes to crypto for gains. And then they start talking technology as if technology is an alternative for making money on your portfolio. It's like, let's get serious. All right, so listen. Don't worry, though. I got your back. I was the one to tell you. Who told you? Who told you that there was 3 reasons to sell? Now, let's play my video. Shouldn't we play my YouTuber video? That's from the Samsung. That's from the Samsung Note right here. And what did I say on December 4th? I said it's 3 reasons to sell now. And what's happened since then? Rule number 1 in investing is to not lose money. So I have some more advice. Oh, look, here's someone being rude here. People will listen to someone screen recording off their phone. Look at there. But would he be up had he listened to me? He probably stayed in the market. He made that smart comment. He stayed in the market and probably got bludgeoned all December, as we know what happened in December. Let's take a quick peek just so everyone who forgot. Let's just go 3 months right here. We see what's been happening. So anywhere he got in here, it was a horror show. He got in December. Let's see where things have been going. Yes. All right. So we know right now that that's not the winning strategy. So what is the winning strategy? Let's switch it up. What I want you to understand is it's all about risk and reward. That is the best bet in crypto right now. What do you mean, Darnell? Risk and reward. So if you're going to take some risk, you have to make sure that your reasonable expected gain is going to be greater than your risk. Okay. Now, this is not investment advice. This is just investment conversation. All right. I'm not an investment advisor. I don't even play one on the internet. What I want to do is save you some money. Shout out to Max. He's got long hair. I've got long hair. But what I want you to understand is if you can get in here and ask yourself, how much is this particular investment going to fall? And how much is this particular investment going to go up? That's what's that's what's important right now in this bear market. If you can do that, you can win. What do I mean? Let's jump over to what I'm talking about right now. Cake. Pancake Swap right now has an APY of 64%. This is on Pancake Swap auto staking. So if you can get 64% return with Pancake Swap, which I have been watching like a hawk, Pancake Swap has not failed very much. And so you have to ask yourself, let me just search for it. I don't see it on the list. So you have to ask yourself, right? Let me just pull up Cake. I want you to look at this chart. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Just hold on, okay? Hold it now. Here is Pancake Swap. So what I want you to understand, Pancake has been hanging around $10. It's been going kind of sideways. Look at the past 3 months. It was at about 19, and once it kind of got down here, since December, it's been kind of hanging around this $10 range. Market's been kind of going up and down, but it's been kind of hanging around 10, 11, 10, 11, 10, 11. So you have to ask yourself, let's just make it easy numbers. 60% if you auto stake. Pancake swap is what you can make. 64% in a year. Okay. So if you can earn 64%, looking at the chart, you have to ask yourself, how much do I expect Pancake swap to drop in 1 year? Now, if it's been hanging out at this level at about $10, and it's been at about $10 for most of the year, it started the year less than $1. Correction, it started this 12-month time period that I'm looking at on this chart. It's a 1 year chart. So it started this at about $1. But once it got established, it never really went below $10. So this is very important. And I know I may not be explaining this the best, but this is how you need to think in terms of the best bet in crypto right now. If I can purchase an asset that I don't believe will go down any more than, let's say, 30%. So let's say if I can get into Pancake swap and it goes down to $7, if I can get into it for $10 and it goes down $3, so it goes down to $7. Pancake swap right now is $10. If it goes down to $7, well, I'm going to make 64% on the staking. Meanwhile, since Pancake swap is a beneficiary of the trading on Binance, you have an opportunity to protect your investment because Pancake swap has an actual income. It generates revenue. And so your investment has cover. You ever get really cold when you sleep? Your toes are starting to get chilly. It's because there's no cover on them. Same thing happened to your investment. Now I'm just generally ranting right now. My new format is going to lead to more ranting. More ranting is sure to come with the new layout as I get used to OBS, which I love this software, man. I need to donate. But make sure you subscribe, share this video, and post in the comments. What is important now? Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if it's not more important to focus on your risk reward and make the best strategic move for your portfolio. Shouldn't you be evaluating what the chances of downside are versus the upside potential? And then what has more upside than an investment that will actually pay you to hold it? Post in the comments. I thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, make sure you share it with someone who will. Until the next time, peace.